I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Armory Crate and the ASUS system utilities are installed and up to date. Open Armory Crate as an administrator so changes persist. If prompted, allow device control and restart the app. Once done, connect the laptop to its charger to prevent power savings locks during configuration. You do this now because the app manages the keyboard firmware and profiles. Without administrative rights or the service running, color controls will be unavailable, so confirm all services show as running. You now choose the Lighting or Aura tab inside Armory Crate and select an existing profile or create a new one. Switch between global, per zone, or per key modes depending on your TUF A15 variant. Per key gives granular control, per zone is simpler. Adjust brightness, color, and effect speed and preview changes in real time. Once satisfied, save the profile and optionally sync it to your ASUS account. You do this because changes must be saved to the firmware or profile slot to survive restarts. Apply the profile and immediately test the keyboard lighting. Type and reboot to confirm persistence. If colors don't change, make sure keyboard firmware is current in Armory Crate's device section and reinstall the app if firmware updates fail. Also check for conflicting software like third-party RGB managers and disable them. One key troubleshooting tip: if lighting remains unresponsive, perform a driver and firmware reinstall while the laptop is plugged in and in Windows Safe mode. Then retry applying your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.